Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will teach you how to color grade in Photoshop. Today I'll teach you a very low-tech way to color grade an entire image. So let's say we have this guy here in his garden and we want to make it a bit more blue. So we're going to go over here to the colors and say we want a bit more bluish. So we just choose a blue one. It's important you pick a light blue. You don't want any of the darker colors because that's going to look funky. Then you're going to take your brush over here. It's important, it's the brush tool. You're going to go to size and just take pretty big, and hardness really doesn't matter. And then you're going to go over here to opacity. Let's just say we want it almost unnoticeable. So you're just going to take opacity maybe down to, let's say, 16%. You're just going to color all the way throughout the picture. And as you can see here now, it's turning more bluish. Now the color has a much more bluish tint to it. It also works with the yellow, of course. Let's say we want it a bit more warm and sunny. We just take this, let's say, reddish color and just color it all the way over. And once again, it's a bit more warm. So it's really that simple if you only have one layer. That's the way to color grade an image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.